welcome to Legacy IAS. We'll be continuing with our average related topic. Now, in average, we had started with the basic concepts and had seen some questions. Now, we'll be understanding a new concept, that is corrected average. Now, what is corrected average? Understand, there is a scenario in which, let's say, there are marks of 10 students is recorded. Okay, now they have different marks. Now average marks is calculated for those 10 students. So you have a figure, let's say that the average marks of those 10 students came out to be 50. Now then it is later found out that actually marks of one of the student was recorded as 60 while it was 80. So originally that student would have gotten 80, but wrongly when we were calculating the average marks of the entire class, it was recorded as 60. Okay, now you understand, because you have reduced his original marks, then the average also, whatever is the average marks that they got, now the corrected average, the average that should have been correct, will be something more than this. Why? Because originally he got 80 marks. So now one way is finding the entire sum in both the cases and then making this changes 60 and 80. Other way is using a formula that we have for corrected average. Now let's see the formula. So this is corrected average is equals to incorrect average plus whatever was the correct number minus whatever was the wrong number divided by n and summation of this. Now what does this mean? Basically, if you have to find the corrected average, you write whatever is the incorrect average that is given in the question, and then for all the entries, for that you are given what should have been the correct, what is recorded wrongly, correct. So both of these you know, so you simply do c minus w divided by n means the same, that is number of observations. Now if you have multiple incorrect like this, so you have to do summation of all of them. Summation means what? Simply, if there are, let's say, two entries that are incorrect, so this is c1 w1, n will be same for them. Now for the next one, it will be c2 minus w2 by n, like that. So that's why we write it as summation. This becomes your formula. Corrected average is equals to incorrect average plus summation of c minus w by n. Okay, now let's get to a question. So this is the question. It says the average weight of a class of 100 students is 40. Later it was noted that weight of one student of 53 kg was wrongly recorded as 83 kg. Find the corrected average weight of the class. Okay, now let's do it using general method first. So what it will be like? Average weight of class of 100 students is 40. That means, let's say their weights are, let's say, a1 plus a2, all these are weights of the students. Let's write it w1 w2. Okay, so weight of first student, second student, like this till you get weight of 100 students divided by 100. This is equals to 40, correct. Average is equals to sum upon number. Now what you got? You got w1 plus w2 up till w100. This sum came out to be 40 into 100, that is 4000. Now you got this. This is the sum that was recorded, but it was found out that one of the student was actually weighing 53 kg. This student was actually weighing 53 kgs, but it was recorded as 83. So that change you will have to make. Let's say that one student is this w1 only. So w1's weight was recorded as 53, was recorded as 83, while his correct weight is 53. So you make the changes here. Now so what will be? So this is the incorrect sum. Now what will be the correct sum? Correct sum, basically you have counted his weight 30 kgs extra, so corrected sum will be what? 4000 minus 30, or in place of 30 also you can write what? His weight was this, that is wrongly recorded as 53 was actually 83, was actually 53. So you subtract this, and what you get? You get 4000 minus this, that is 30, so you get 3970. Now if I have to find the average, now this is the corrected sum. Now corrected average will be what? Corrected sum upon number, so this becomes 3970 by number, that is 100. So what you got? 39.7. Correct? Now so this is a normal way of doing this. Now if I have to do this directly using that formula, you understand how that formula might have come. Okay, see, incorrect average you anyway have, from where you can get the change. Whatever change you are getting is actually from the correct minus wrong. This is the change, and divided by the total number is actually changing the average by exact that quantity. So you can do that directly. Now let's see how you would do that directly. Now see, corrected average is equals to incorrect average plus C minus W by N. Now corrected average I have to find. Incorrect average is what? Incorrect average is 40. What is the correct number? Correct should have been 53. Incorrect was 83. Divided by how many people were there? 100 students were there, so divided by 100, what you got? 40 plus this is 30 by 100, 30 by 100 and a negative sign, so minus 0.3. Correct? What you got? 39.7. Much faster. So this is how you use corrected average formula. Okay, let's see one more question. So let's write it in short. There are 18 observations and average is 124 for them. Now later on mistake was discovered, that is 64 was recorded as 46 and 28 was recorded as 82. Okay, now again you have to find the corrected average. Okay, how you will find? 18 observations, average is 124. Now corrected average is equals to incorrect average plus, now you have two observations that are given incorrect. So 64 was the correct observation, but it was recorded as 46. 28 would have been the correct observation, but it was recorded as 82. Correct? Now so you add both of them, so let's write C1 minus W1 by N plus C2 minus W2 by N. Now corrected average I have to find. Incorrect average is what? Incorrect average is 124 plus. Now the first one, 64 was recorded as 46. That means correct is what? 64 is the correct one. So this goes 64 minus what was recorded? Wrong one, that is 46. Divided by N is what? N is 18. Then plus 28 was recorded as 82. So correct is what? Correct is 28 was recorded as 82. So wrong is 82 divided by 80. So what you get? 124 plus 64 minus 46 will be equal to what? Can you see? This will be 14 minus 6, that is 8. 14 minus 6 is 8 and 5 minus 1 is 5 minus 4 is 1. So this becomes 18 by 18 in positive sense. Now this will come in negative. Can you see 28 minus 82? Now what this will be? This will be 28 minus 82 82 minus 28 will be what? 12 minus 8, that is 4, and 7 minus 2 is 5. So this will come out to be 54 by 80. Correct? What it came? 124. Now 18, 18 cross. What you get? Plus 1. And 18 3s are 54. So minus 3. Ultimately what you get is 124 minus 2. That is 122 would have been the corrected average. Or that should have been the average in the first place. So this is the corrected average. Understood? Simple concept. Okay. That's it for this. Thank you.